Hi there. You want to import your web page into Figma? Well, I tested 4 of the most popular plugins, but this one, Web to Figma, is by far the best. It did the design perfectly. Here, you can see this is how it looks in Figma. You have divs and all the elements, at the left. Somehow, I don't know how to toggle them now, but I have them. And this is how it actually looks. It's literally the same. It's scrollable. The other ones, like, let me see which one. I've tested the one from DiffRoots. It's shit. It imported the icons and components and auto layout and stuff, I don't know. But just look at the final result. It's terrible. And I could not fix it. There were ways to fix it, but they don't work. I've tested this one also, HTML to Figma, the blue one. It's also shit. So we're left on with the purple one. Bye.